is Rose Montreal, the Tournament Director of NBL Youth and the Executive Vice President of NBL Pilipinas. Spalding has been with the NBL since 2018. They've been our official ball since 2018 for NBL Men's, for WNBL, and for NBL Youth. Spalding has made our league very credible. It has helped our players to develop really very good shooting forms, and with the latest technology of the advanced grip, players are more, adapted to the real size of balls that they should be using in different age categories, specifically for the NBL Youth, 10 under, 12 under, 14 under, 16 under, 19 under, and 21 under. Of course, I would like to extend our gratitude and appreciation to Spalding Philippines, Proline Marketing, the official distributor of Spalding in the Philippines, on behalf of NBL Pilipinas, Chairman Celso Mercado, NBL Commissioner and Vice President for Basketball Operations, Mr. Edward Aquino, of course, NBL Youth, and soon to launch Becky Ball. It's going to be our volleyball league for NBL Pilipinas, and of course, appreciation to the Dibuncio family for their all-out support to the league, and of course to Mr. Joven Babaan of Proline Marketing. NBL Youth, ang liga ng kabataang Pilipino. NBL, ang tahanan ng tunay na homegrown. Becky Ball, ito ang liga namin. WNBL, ang tunay na liga ng atletang Pilipina. Tatak Spalding.